Welcome to Ride Ready Reviews, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the world of wheels. Whether it's brand new launches or timeless classics, we bring you everything you need to know. So buckle up and let's dive into today's ride. Today, we're taking a nostalgic yet futuristic journey as we talk about the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Vintage Edition, a modern tribute to one of the most iconic cars in automotive history. The original Karmann Ghia, produced from 1955 to 1974, was a beautiful blend of German engineering and Italian design. And now, after more than 5 decades, Volkswagen is breathing new life into this legend. The 2026 Karmann Ghia Vintage doesn't just rely on retro appeal. It's a stunning fusion of past elegance and present-day innovation. At first glance, the car immediately grabs attention with its signature rounded lines, low-slung profile, and wide front grille, all echoing the original Ghia styling. But then you notice the subtle LED lighting, the updated alloy wheels, and a reimagined emblem that adds a modern twist to a vintage soul. Under the hood, the 2026 Karmann Ghia Vintage is all-electric. Volkswagen has equipped it with a rear-mounted motor producing around 250 horsepower, powered by a 77 kWh battery pack. It delivers an estimated range of over 300 miles on a single charge. This isn't just a cruiser for car shows. It's built for real-world driving. Smooth acceleration, silent operation, and responsive steering make it a joy on both city streets and open highways. Step inside, and the cabin is a perfect blend of retro charm and futuristic tech. The dashboard features soft-touch materials, analog-inspired gauges with digital precision, and a floating infotainment screen compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The leather seats are crafted with vintage stitching patterns, giving a nod to the classic interior while ensuring modern comfort. Volkswagen has made sure that safety and convenience don't take a backseat. The car includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, and a full 360-degree camera system. It's a vintage car reimagined for modern driving conditions. The 2026 Karmann Ghia Vintage Edition is not just a car, it's a piece of art, a slice of history, and a bold step into the future. Volkswagen is expected to release it in limited numbers, making it a true collector's item. Whether you're a longtime fan of the original Karmann Ghia or a new enthusiast discovering its charm for the first time, this car is bound to steal your heart. That's all for today's ride. If you enjoyed this video and want more content on the latest and classic cars and bikes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Ride Ready Reviews, where every vehicle has a story. See you in the next one.